Silver doesn't pay dividends. Silver doesn't earn interest. So why do people continue to buy this stuff? Now, one of the biggest reasons that people say to me they would never invest into precious metals is simply because of those two reasons. They say to me, why would I put my money into something that just sits in a safe and doesn't do anything? And they're exactly right. If you was to put your hard-earned cash into the stock market, it would earn you dividends. If you was to put your hard-earned cash into a savings account, it would earn you interest. So why would you buy this shiny stuff, chuck it in your safe, and generate zero income? But here's what most people are missing. Silver isn't designed to pay you. Silver is designed to protect you. Silver is protecting your wealth. It is protecting you from inflation. Fiat currency, the money in your bank and in your wallet, is getting devalued every single day. Every single time they print more and more of this stuff, it is becoming more and more worthless. This stuff is protecting your buying power over time. Silver holds real physical value. It's not like an investment that grows, it's more like an insurance for your wealth. Stocks offer growth, savings accounts are for liquidity, but silver, this stuff right here, is for protection.